Hello everyone! Can you guess how I made these paintings? With bubbles! Today we're going to paint with bubbles. You'll need an adult to help you with this project. Let's get started. First you'll need some disposable bowls or cups. Then you'll need non-toxic tempera paint or food coloring. Put a little bit of paint in each container. Now let's make our bubble liquid. You'll need dish soap, a tablespoon, and some water. Let's mix these ingredients together. Pour about 2 tablespoons of dish soap into each bowl. Then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Next, stir it. Make sure your bubble paint is thoroughly mixed. Select a color to start. I'm going to use blue first. The final things we need are straws and paper. With the straw, gently blow into the bubble paint mixture. Don't drink the bubble paint mixture. Keep blowing until you have a big pile of bubbles. Then with your straw, carefully push the bubbles onto the paper. Repeat these steps until you think there are enough bubbles on your paper. Try a different color. You may have to add more water to a mixture to help you blow more bubbles. How about making a bubble painting with 2 different colors? That's bubble painting. Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.